before the Big Bang? Well, in this video, I will be answering that with two other of my friends named Nelson and Drew.
I want to introduce myself.
Okay, but first, we are going to answer the question, us three. But remember, this is just our opinion, and obviously we can't actually know. That will never be possible, and humanity will never ever do that, because unless they find a way to break the laws of physics or something. Because the universe is expanding faster than the speed of light, so we will not be able to we will never be able to catch up with the universe and see what's going on outside. So just keep that in mind as we talk about all of our opinions. But first, we will start with Nelson Radunsky here. Begin.
So, my theory is that the universe has been basically growing as it is now and then collapsing on itself. And then the Big Bang just happened and it grows and then collapses and then grows and then collapses. Yes, Drew?
How does it grow and collapse, and how does it just happen? The Big Bang.
Well, the Big Bang happens when the matter gets compressed too much.
Well, Nelson, I have an argument against your theory, and why
me too.
it sadly doesn't work. So, first of all, if you know how stars work,
What does this have to do with stars?
Yeah, what does it have to do?
No. I'm just showing you to give you just to give you context.
Showing?
No, I'm telling you just to give you context, because something would have to happen to trigger that explosion. That expansion to happen again. Because even if it was to collapse on its own weight, it would not suddenly just start up again. No, that's not how it works. It's stars, and that's not so. And with a normal star, it expands. It expands and it becomes into a hypergiant, and then as it grows, it's getting out its hydrogen and helium, and eventually, after it reaches a certain height, our sun will absorb Mercury, Venus, and even Earth. Drew, wait a second. And once it does that, then it will collapse on its own weight. But Nelson, your theory suggests that the universe would then suddenly expand back again. Well, that's not the case with stars. And with stars, with stars that wouldn't happen. So it's very likely that wouldn't happen for universes too. Something would have to trigger it to expand again. Do you understand what I'm saying? And Drew, you may now speak.
Okay, so I had this friend from because I'm an alien, you see. I went to this I'm currently studying, and so wait, what's it called? Yeah, so my friend told me that I created a time machine, and what's it called? I created the time machine and started the Big Bang because I banged at a metal pot. That's what he told me.
Wait, did you just say you came out of a metal pot?
No, I banged a metal pot, okay? That's how the Big Bang started, because I banged a big metal pot. That's what my friend told me.
Oh, so
his name was
that was charged up in all the universes. You're saying that 93 billion light years of information. Not more than that. You created all that information with banging your pot.
I'm not saying that. My friend named Eklund said that.
Eklund?
Yeah, Eklund.
No, his name is Declan. I actually happen to know that friend. But
you're on a different universe than I. How are you knowing that friend?
I do. I talked to him. How do you know him? You're an alien, bro. You just.
I talked to him. He's an alien of mine. He's an alien friend of mine.
Wait, an alien of yours?
No, an alien friend of mine.
Oh, I thought you said an alien of mine.
Alright, so now, alien friends aside, and which basically means Drew's friends aside, now Drew will talk about his theory.
Wait, me? Oh, yes, but, that was my friend Eklund's theory. This is my theory now. Okay, so my theory is that there were two universes. They merged together, and then a supernova in one of them, I don't know any information about stars. And a supernova happened, and it caused the Big Bang because it banged up and broke all those universes, removed the universes, and caused a new one to form. and that's called our universe.
That
Yeah.
doesn't work. Your theory, Drew, doesn't work for many different reasons. But one reason is if a star were to, hypothetically, if the same concept were to be put with stars in our universe, if a star were to go supernova, all the material would incinerate and it would become into what is called a gas nebula cloud. And a gas nebula cloud is the material that makes stars, and that's how the circle keeps going on. And I think the same thing would occur with universes, and another universe wouldn't just pop up into an existence when both the universes collide. You get what I'm saying, Drew?
No, kind of. Yeah, totally. Yeah, let's say that.
Bro, I thought you were an alien. Don't you like? Maybe you're right, and maybe I'm wrong. I mean, aliens are smarter than humans, right?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, give me a math problem now.
I think I'm good.
No. I definitely, I know 1 + 1 is 3. Everyone knows that.
Oh, wait. How do you even know what 1 + 1 is? Like,
because it's my language. There's this language called Dinglish and my friend told me, his name was Eklund. Eklund told me that Dinglish is made for dinguses, and I learned Dinglish.
oh. And Declan's, is his name Eklund or Declan?
Eklund! Eklund's my friend!
Oh, I thought it was Declan. That's interesting.
Now, Eklund's an alien. You're a human.
Like, one time I tried calling him Officer Eklund.
No, I called him! That's exactly what I said! I called him Officer Eklund. I called him Officer Eklund.
Okay, Officer Eklund's and Alien Drew's friend, who's also an alien and apparently knows the language of Dinglish or whatever. Putting all that aside, anything else you have to add about that? About the theory and the flaw? So would you like to hear my theory then?
No.
No, you would not like to hear my theory?
No. Nelson, would you like to hear his theory?
Okay.
Okay, I'll agree with Nelson. Let's go. Shim, you're on the stage now.
Yay, I'm on the stage. Okay, so, first, I would like to my theory is that there are an infinite number, so time is infinite and the universe is infinite, okay? And my theory also suggests that yes, Drew?
How do you know they're infinite?
Okay, so, thank you for doing that, actually. As I mentioned previously, nothing of what we're saying is finalized. It's all just guesses and opinions and whatever we think happened, okay? Yes, Drew?
What's an opinion? In English, no one told me that.
Okay, you don't need to know that. Let's just say an opinion is, something you think. Does that clear?
Okay, so I think of a light.
Anyways, let me continue.
Wait, no, so my opinion is a light. Okay, you can continue.
Okay, so I think the universe is infinite, and time is infinite, so that means there's no beginning, there's no end, it's just on and on forever. And that means that there are an infinite number of, I'm saying there's an infinite number of, like, creations that has always been there, and it's an infinite circle of creating the universe, and then the universe is dead. And there's trillions and an infinite number of universes that are being created, and they're infinitely being destroyed over and over again, and more being destroyed than are being born. That's what I think. And I also think, I personally believe in the multiverse theory, and you might be like, oh,
me too.
Nonsense. What the bro, the multiverse theory is fake. And I bet I'm gonna have, like, if I didn't say this right now, I bet there would be, like, 20,000 comments or something saying, bro, the multiverse theory is trash, it's fake, that's a lie, it's all guesses. And first of all, it is technically guesses. And second of all, like, as I mentioned many times, it's all my opinion. Hold on a second, Drew. And third of all, there's actually some reason to it if you would actually listen. So the multiverse theory suggests that the universe is infinite, and as you were to go into the universe depths, eventually the combinations of particles would repeat. And once the same combinations of particles over octillions and centillions and septillions of years eventually, once the combinations of particles repeat, you might come again and see our own planet. That means, hold on a second. That means eventually, once the combinations of particles repeat, you might come again and see Earth, and there might be versions of all of us, of all of you guys who are watching this video, who are wearing a hat that says, a hat that has an alien on it. Yes, Drew?
Well, that had my picture because I am the supreme alien.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
1,000 subscribers on this channel, and we make our own merch so that will have your own custom Droove the Alien hat.
Yay!
So please subscribe and hit the like button and watch all of our videos whenever we make more than one. So yeah, please do that so we can have our own Droove merch, okay?
Yay! Wait, no, I need to put an excited yay!
And if you're sad, we're also gonna have, and if you feel bad for Nelson over here, we're also gonna have your own Nelson custom shirt with whatever he chooses. And if you think that I'm left out, you're wrong. I'm gonna have my own custom merch too.
I don't want an alien hat. You guys choose it for me.
We'll decide that later. But remember, this will only happen if we hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours.
I thought it was 3,000.
Oh yeah, 3,000.
Yeah.
So please subscribe, okay? And with that note out of the way, let me continue.
Wait, subscribe to Shivam's channel too, because
subscribe to my channel called Virtual Space Travel. It's at like 920 at the time of this recording. So please subscribe to that channel. So I can.
Please. Wait. Yeah.
Okay. So now. As I was saying, there could be a version.
I'm being sucked into the multiverse.
What did you say?
He muted himself. The alien? No. He's not an alien. I'm the alien.
Yeah. Why is he talking in like an alien language? Well, forget it.
Nelson. Nelson.
These two aliens against each other. We're gonna continue so that they don't start fighting each other. So. As I was saying, Drew, stop. I don't want you guys to kill each other. So, as I was saying, so there could be an infinite number of versions of Earth that it's 99.9% water, or vice versa. There's an infinite number of there could be an infinite number of possibilities of an infinite number of things that could be changed, and there could be an infinite number of universes which is the exact same as ours, and then infinites which are.
And I fell back through the white hole. Phew! I got sucked into a black hole. Sorry.
I raised my hand.
So now that's my theory. I think that there are infinite number of universes which are being birthed, and they're being destroyed. And that same matter is infinitely creating universes, and eventually the universes will all come to an end. And eventually, all the matter will cease to exist, and there will be nothing left. And of course, this is after an incomprehensible amount of time, and there will be nothing in the universe, in the whole universe at all. Now, that's my theory. That's just my theory. So now that we have all three of our theories, any of you guys have to say anything? Do you have anything to say or no?
Yeah.
So far you haven't said
Yeah, I have one thing to say.
And what is that?
To all our viewers, please subscribe and like the video. No,
oh, wait. No, I shouldn't have said the end. Now I'm gonna be sucked into a black hole.
Drew! Oh no, Nelson's gone. Wait, Drew, I have a question for you.
What?
How do I know you if you're an alien?
We're pen pals!
Oh, we're pen pals. That random guy who keeps sending me annoying emails.
Wait, what annoying email did I send?
Remember that one email you sent where there was like a bajillion Ys?
Was that in 2020, January 5th, 2020?
Yeah.
How do you know? You didn't check your emails.
Oh. Anyways, please subscribe.
No. That's my part. Please subscribe and like to this channel. Thank you. Bye.